So, you've got $1,000 burning a hole in your pocket and you're ready to make it grow. That's fantastic. Investing, even with a relatively small amount like $1,000, is a powerful step towards building your financial future. But where do you start? How do you ensure you're making the wisest choices with your hard-earned cash? You don't want to just throw it away on something risky, right? The fear of losing your initial investment is completely understandable, and it's a feeling every investor experiences at some point. The key is to approach investing with a plan and a strategy that minimizes risk while maximizing potential returns. Well, I'm here to show you exactly how I would invest that $1,000 today. We're going to break it down into manageable steps, focusing on strategies that are smart, simple to understand, and most importantly, built for long-term growth. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about laying a solid foundation for your financial future. We're aiming for smart, simple, and built to grow. Think of it as planting a seed that, with the right care and attention, will blossom into something substantial over time. It's about making your money work for you, even while you sleep. Let's imagine I'm in your shoes, starting completely over with just $1,000 in my pocket. No prior investments, just a clean slate, and the desire to build something meaningful. This is exactly what I'd do with just $1,000. We're going to treat this $1,000 as the seed money for a much larger financial garden. Step 1. Protect your downside. This is the most crucial step because it sets the stage for everything else. If you don't already have emergency savings, and let's be honest, many people don't, this is where we start. We're going to set aside $250 right off the bat. This is your initial safety net. Put that $250 in a high-yield savings account. Look for the best interest rates you can find. Even a small percentage can make a difference over time. It won't make you rich overnight, let's be clear about that. The interest earned won't be life-changing, but it will keep you from going broke or having to derail your investment plans if an unexpected expense pops up. Because life inevitably throws a curveball. A sudden car repair, an unexpected medical bill, these things happen. Having that small emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt or having to sell your investments at a bad time. Step 2, grab free money if you can get it. This is like finding money on the street, you absolutely want to pick it up. If your job offers a 401k match, meaning they'll match a percentage of your contributions, take it, don't even hesitate. That's essentially a guaranteed 100% return on your investment. It's like doubling your money instantly. Nothing beats that kind of return in the investment world. It's the closest thing to a sure thing you'll find. If not, if your employer doesn't offer a 401k match, don't worry. We have another avenue for tax-advantaged investing. Open a Roth IRA. This is a retirement account that offers significant tax benefits, and invest the next $250 into that Roth IRA. This is where we start building your long-term wealth. Invest that money in a total market ETF, which is an exchange-traded fund. Look for options like VTI, which tracks the entire US stock market, or an S&P 500 index fund, which focuses on the 500 largest companies in the US. These are low-cost, diversified investments. Step 3. Invest in yourself using AI. This might sound a little unconventional, but it's incredibly important in today's rapidly evolving world. Use $250 to learn new, valuable skills. Focus on skills that can generate income. Consider learning how to build a YouTube channel using AI-powered tools like InVideo AI. Video content is booming, and AI can help you create engaging videos quickly and efficiently. You could also learn how to sell digital templates or online guides. There's a huge market for these resources, and AI can help you create them faster and better. Or offer ChatGPT services online. Many businesses need help with content creation, customer service, and other tasks that ChatGPT can automate. AI gives you leverage, allowing you to do more with less time and effort. And skills create cash flow. The more valuable skills you have, the more opportunities you'll have to generate income and grow your wealth. Step 4. Own a piece of real estate. Even if it's just a small piece. And you can do it for cheap, thanks to fractional real estate investing. Take $150 of your remaining funds and invest in fractional properties. This allows you to own a portion of a rental property without the hassle of being a landlord. You can do this using platforms like Fundrise or Arrived. These platforms allow you to invest in a portfolio of properties with relatively small amounts of money. It's real estate. You're actually investing in physical properties that generate rental income, but there's no mortgage to worry about and no tenants to deal with. The platform handles all of that for you. Step 5. use the final $100. This is your seed money for something bigger, to start something of your own. This is where you get to be creative and entrepreneurial. Buy a domain name for a potential business idea. Even if you don't have a fully formed business plan yet, securing a domain name is a great first step. Pay for a basic subscription to a design tool like Canva or Adobe Express. These tools can help you create marketing materials, social media graphics, and more. Run a small $50 ad campaign on social media to test your business idea or promote your skills. Remember, you're not just spending this money. You're seeding a future income stream. You're investing in your potential to generate more income down the road. So, here's the breakdown of how I'd invest that $1,000. $250 goes into your emergency fund, providing that crucial safety net. $250 goes into a Roth IRA or your 401k, building your long-term retirement savings. $250 is dedicated to learning AI and money-making skills, boosting your earning potential. $150 is invested in fractional real estate, giving you exposure to the real estate market, and $100 is used to start a micro-hustle or online business, giving you a taste of entrepreneurship. Remember, you don't need $10,000 or even $5,000 to start building wealth. What you truly need is clarity about your goals, discipline to stick to your plan, and a few smart moves that leverage your resources effectively. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below. What would you do with $1,000 if you were in my shoes? What kind of business would you start? What skills would you learn? And if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow Make Millions. Let's build smart, not flashy. Let's focus on sustainable growth and long-term financial security.